Yes? Yes, children. Okay. In meet and greet, I saw all your homework. It was very nice. Okay. Every day you need to read like that only. Day to day you have to complete your homework. That will help you to complete your portion within time. Yes, no, children? As I told you, every day you have to complete your daily routines. Then you need to play for 2 hours outside. Outside the home you have to expose to yourself to the sun. Then 2 hours you need to sit and read and write. With that you need to spend and more than an hour for your refreshment. Like any channel, if you want to watch the TV, you can watch, but it should be 1 hour, not more than that. Yes, in mobile also you can play the game, but it should be half an hour, not more than that. Okay? Okay, children, you can do one thing. If you want to learn so many things, just you watch any Animal Planet or Discovery channels. From that you can learn the things all over the world. Yes, no, it is very pretty also to see the animals there. Correct? Yes. Yes. Okay, children. Today, shall we start our online class? Yes, today is Monday, 19th October. Okay? Very good. English class. Yes? Yes. Till now what we learnt in English? Beginning consonants, ending consonants, CVC words, the ovals. Short oval of A, E, I, O. Now we are learning U. Correct, no? What is the short vowel of EU? Short vowel means the only one vowel in one word. Okay? That is called a short vowel. Okay? If you pick any word, only one vowel will be there. Yes? Yes. Very good. These are all also called CVC words. Okay? We were learning about U. Correct, no? Yes. In that, what are the families we learned? U, T. In that, heart, foot, nut. Okay? UT, group. Then UN. Fun, bun, sun. Correct, no? 3 words. Then UG. Hug, mug, rug. Next is UP. Correct, my children? UT, UN, UG, UB. Okay? In UB, you can see rub, tub. Bub. It's a person name. Correct, no? What you have learned? UT, UB, UG, UN, then UP. In family of the dog. Yes. What are the families of U vowel? UT, UN, UG, UP and UP. In UT we can see the so many words are there. Just I am taking 3 or 2 as an example. Hut, put, nut. Okay. In UN family, fun, bun, sun. Okay. UG family, hug, mug, rug. UB, rub, tub, pub. UP, cup, pub. Okay. I have done some flashcards regarding this. The first one is UT. You can make the flashcard like this. You can make the flashcard UT and keep it as a space so that you can put any pictures here. I am showing one. It's a hut. Can you see, children? Yes, it is the picture of hut. H-U-T, hut. You can make the picture or you can make the flashcard of the alphabet. Like if you can make the H here, P, N, like that you can make and you can put the picture there. Okay, word and you can identify the picture. Next one is UN. Okay, I have in that this is what? What is this? This is bun. So I have to put here B letter. B for bun. Okay, this is the picture. You have to put the letter here B. Okay, next one is sun. Can you see the picture of sun here? Yes. See what I have to write here? S means the beginning letter is yes. Okay, the picture and you have to put the letter here. Next one is I have not written here. The third word you can make it as a gun. Okay, the gun picture is there. G means you have to write the letter here G. Okay, the next is UG. What I written? Ug, mug, rug. Okay, what is this? This is a mug. What is this? UG flashcard. Okay, mug means M make a sound, the phonic sound of M. Very good. M-U-G, mug. The picture is mug. Okay, another one is jug. J-U-G, jug. The picture is showing jug. You have to put the letter here J. Very good. Next one is UB. Okay, I have written here rub, tub, bum. Okay, I am showing the picture of tub. Okay, here what letter I have to put? T. Very good. T-U-B, tub. The picture with the letter. Okay. Another one is for UP and another one family is also there, UN. Gum, sum. Okay, UN family also is there. They are not given there, but you can learn the family of this. Okay, what is that? See, what is this? Gum. You have to add G-U-M, gum. Okay, children? This is the U family. Okay, what you have to do? As usual, the homework is reading readiness book. You all have no that reading readiness book. In that, the homework is already you have done the 27. No, first you go through the page number 27, read the words and also read the sentence. Now in the 28 what you have to do, recognize the picture and complete the words. They are given the additions of the letters. This is the addition of the letter. You need to recognize the individual letter phonics and you have to see the picture and complete the blank. Join each letter with those given in the circle and write the word. That you can do. No, yesterday I told you how you have to do. Just join the or blend the beginning consonant with the two consonant with vowel. Okay. Look at the picture and fill in the missing words that you need to complete. You need to write a name here, then the date. Then you have to complete this reading readiness book. Okay? Yes. The another homework is you all have the phonic book, right? Phonic activity book. Page number 3. Okay, page number 3. What they are given? Short vowel words of O and U. That you need to write two times. Write first. You need to write your name, today's date, and you need to complete the page number 3. Children, while writing these words, you bear the spelling also. Okay, that will help you in making the sentence. Okay, that's all for today's English. Okay, now we will move to our maths class. Next is our maths class. Till now what we learned? Numbers from 1 to 30, number names from 1 to 30, missing number, before, between and after numbers, then addition using the number strips and addition using the dots. Today we are introducing the numbers from 31 to 40. Okay? 31 to 40. 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Okay, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39 and 40. Okay, till now we learned 1 to 40. I'll write the same thing here. Okay, I'll start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, we learned 1 to 30 the number names also. Okay children, you need to practice this one in your what? Square line book. Homework is square line groups. Write numbers from 1 to 40 two times in your square line books. Okay. With that, the another one homework is there for you in the mathematics readiness book. Okay. With that, page number 29. Mathematics readiness book, you all have know this one. In that page number 29, what you have to do? Join the dots from 31 to 40 and color the picture. Just go through that. You join the dot with a black crayon or with a pencil, and you need to color the picture. What they are given here? One swan they are given. Just look into that and you make a color and complete the picture. That's all for today. What we learned in the maths. Okay, 1 to 40. Again and again you practice children. With that, the homework is in the square book. Write numbers from 1 to 40 two times. One page you finish and turn the page and put the same date and you can write. And another one homework is mathematics readiness book. In that page number 29, you need to complete the picture and color the picture. Okay, that's all for today. Now we are moving to our EVS. EVS is nothing but our general science. In that we were learning community helpers. As I told you, community is a group of same people working same kind of work with different names. Okay, for example, we were taking the community of the doctors. In the doctors, there are so many groups. They all work for the same kind. Doctors means they will help in giving the medicine to cure our sickness. Correct? No? But there are so many names. What are those? Like orthopedics, children specialist, cardiologist, gynecologist, ENT specialist, veterinary doctor, like that. Okay, cosmetic doctor. So many doctors are there, but all will work on our health issues only. Okay, correct? Yes. Till now, what and all we learned? Teacher. Then what else? Postman. Pilot. Farmer. Correct? No? Next this one, postman, goldsmith, ironsmith, then fireman, correct? No? Yesterday we learned this one. Teacher is a person who teaches us. Okay, postman is a person who delivers our letters or couriers. Okay, pilot is a person who drives the aeroplane. Correct. Farmer is a person who grows crops to us. Correct? No, vegetables and fruits also. Sweeper is a person who keeps our city clean by cleaning the dust or sweeping the roads, the gazetted buildings and all. The person who will clean that person is called a sweeper. Postman. Again I written the postman. Sorry, 2 times I written the postman. Okay. Goldsmith is a person who will make the ornaments to us. Okay. Ironsmith is a person who will what? Who will make the iron articles like rods and what are those? Iron material which we will use in constructing the buildings and all. Okay. Fireman is a person who puts off the fire when any accident happens at home, in any buildings, in any roads and all. If any accident happens and fire occurs, means a fireman will put off the fire. Okay. Till now we learned these 8 person. Okay. Today we are learning the few more persons. First one is washerman. Who is a washerman? Is a person who will wash our clothes and iron our clothes and give it back to us. Correct? No, they are also called dhobies. Correct? No, children? Yes? Yes. The person, he will take our clothes, he will wash it, make it dry, and he will nicely iron our dress and he will give back. This person is called a washerman. Then tailor. Who is tailor? Yes, tailor is a person who stitches our dress, new dress, who will make us new dress. Correct? No, we will purchase the pieces and we will give to the person tailor to stitch our dress. Okay. Next person is porter. Okay, who is porter? The person who carries luggages in railway station and in bus station are called a porter. ಹೌದು, ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ, ಕೂಲಿಗಳು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ತಲೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಲಗೇಜ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅವರು. ಓಕೆ, porter is nothing but a coolie man who will carry our luggage in railway station and in bus stations. Okay, next one is barber. Who is barber, children? Yes, barber is a person who cuts our hair. Every day I was telling, no, once in a month you need to trim your hairs. Where you trim your hairs? Yes, you will go to your cutting shop. That is a barber shop. There the person who trims your hair or cut your hair is called a barber man. Okay. Next one is milkman. Okay. Milkman is a person who supplies milk to our house. Okay. Milkman is a person who supplies or gives the milk to our house. Nowadays we are getting the milk everywhere. In olden days only we were using the cow's milk. No, not a packet milk. That time the milkman was very much familiar. Okay, today we learned the 5 new what community helpers. One is washerman, is nothing but a dhobi. What they will do? They will wash our dirty clothes and they will make an iron. Tailor, he stitches a new dresses to us. Okay. Porter, a person who carries luggages in railway station and in bus station. Barber is a person where we will go to cut or trim our hairs. Okay. Milkman is a person who delivers or gives the milk to our house. Okay, children, these are the 5. You can go through for this for in a page number. Tell me more. For 28. Okay. Today's homework is first question regarding the washerman. What is that? To whom do you give your clothes to ironing and washing? Okay, the first question is to whom do you give your clothes to ironing and washing? The person is washerman. Okay, the second one, what does tailor do? Yes, what does tailor do? He will stitches a new clothes to us. Okay. Third question is, okay, who is porter? Okay, what does porter do? What does porter do? He will carry the luggages in railway station and bus station. Okay. The fourth question I read there. Who cuts our hair? Okay. Who cuts our hair? The barber cuts our hair or trims our hair. What does what does milkman do? Okay, what does milkman do? He will supply the milk from house to house. Okay, this you have to write in interleaf book. As I was telling you, first what you have to do, you have to stick the pictures of these 5 in the left side and you need to write the question and answers in the 4-line side. You can take your mama's help to write the question, but answer you should write. Okay, children? With this, another one homework is in the scrapbook. Stick pictures of community helpers. Okay, stick in the scrapbook. You all have no the that scrapbook. In that you need to stick the pictures of community helpers. All the community helpers you stick it and you try to learn a sentence related to that community helper. Okay, this is your EVS. Okay, this is your EVS. In that another one homework is there. Homework worksheet 14. This is additional worksheet. You need to take the printout. Okay. Printout. I know these helpers. Okay. And that the given worksheet 14, the additional worksheet, that you need to take the printout and you have to complete that by matching it. Okay. They are given some side, they are given the doctor, here they are given their work. Treating for sick, like that you need to make a match of them. I know these helper. Okay. This is for EVS. EVS totally homework. First homework is interleaf book. What you have to do? You have to stick the pictures of these 5 and write the questions and answer related to that community helpers. The second homework is scrapbook. Stick pictures of community helpers. The third homework is, what is that? Additional worksheet. They are given there. Additional worksheet 14. Take the printout and you need to complete that. Okay. Total you have 3 homeworks for EVS. Now the last part is your creative craft. Page 16. What they given? Trendy frog. Trace the umbrella for the frog. Color the picture with bright crayons. Paste bindis on the umbrella. They are given some bindis here. Okay. Can you see, children? The bindis they are given here. Just you stick this on the picture. Wherever there is dot, no, you need to stick the bindis on that. If there is shortage, you can buy it outside. I think it's excess only. Just you check it out. Okay. Remaining you need to color it with a bright color. You need to color the flowers given below also. Okay, children. That's all for today. We will close our class. Please do the homework day to day on the particular day only and go through the previous class also. Okay, take care. Bye.